I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. It's a week before Easter and we got family coming over, so you got to add things, like a chair at the table. This old chair had a problem though. At an earlier Easter, the seat broke. Yep, I had to brace it up, glue it together, put that board across the bottom. It's held up pretty good, but now chair dried out and the rungs popped loose. So I got out the tools and the glue and came back down and reactivated the basement shop. Spent most of my time moving stuff out of here, but yesterday it was too cold. I couldn't glue anything out in the annex because it was below 50 degrees and glue doesn't work really good when it's below 50 degrees. So I brought it down here and glued it together. Tonight she's all dried out, ready to go. So that's one more step towards Easter. It's coming quick.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.